Hey guys, you might be wondering what's this paper for? Well, tonight I am going to show you how to make a paper aeroplane. So first of all, if your paper is like bends, just crease them back just to make it forward. Now first of all, you need to bend it over like that, just to make it straight. Then turn it over. Put two triangles, then crease them so they're nice and straight. Then right here, I'm going to place quite a funny little bend like that. And the other side. Then we fold it over again, all on one. Then we fold the wings out. And boom, guys. And that's how you make a little aeroplane. Watch. Hey! I know mine isn't very good. I made another one over there just now. But until then, in a few moments' time, the FIFA World Cup Qatar is on.